Okay, guys, happy new month to you. Okay, my name is Faye Onoshaga and I am TMNmedia. I would love to present an opportunity to you. It's a special new month of August, and I felt like giving you guys a special promo. Now, I only have limited spots. Uh, what promo am I giving you, and what offer it is? You get to learn how to be able to make at least 30% or more on a daily basis with the use of your mobile phone. Just by using your mobile phone, you'll be able to do that. Now, the basic requirement you need are very simple, just three of them. Just four of them. You need one, your mobile phone with internet access is the digital business. You need two, you need to have at least 1 hour dedicated for trading and training. It's a digital trading business. And then the third thing, you need trading capital. You can start with as low as 15,000 naira. Yes, with as low as 50,000 there. Now, the last but not the least is the training itself. Now, I'm presenting a special promo offer. It's amazing, but I'm presenting it to only few and limited people. So for the month of August, my training course is going to be available at the promo offer of 30,000 naira. And for the 30,000 naira, it's going to also have a package of signal service. Signal service in the sense that you will be able to receive signal to trade for the next 45 days. So if you subscribe, if you're a new student and you are subscribing for my training, you're subscribing at 30,000 naira. Now you're also going to be receiving the training, learning how to generate the signal yourself, but you're also going to be subscribed to the signal itself, meaning you have an opportunity to be receiving over 100 signals daily. Now you are going to, it's an awesome thing. We are still rocking it in our community, and we want to give it some time before it becomes open to the general public. But before then, you can get to participate in this. The promo offer for training, if you don't know anything about trading, it does not matter. Oh, okay, you're wondering. Just take a look at all the testimonials and you'll get to understand what I'm talking about. We started this, is not for the signal service, we just started it in the month of July. So it's barely just a month old, and it's been awesome. See some of the testimonies. No, okay, let's go into my phone so that you can see the testimony, right? Okay, we are here right in my phone, right? I hope you can see my phone here right now. Now, I just want to be able to show you and let you see how some of these things work, right? Now, on my phone here, you get to see some of the testimonials uh, that we have received so far from some of the testimonials we received so far, and they are all here, right? Now, these are students, you know, like this person, he said um, he had to he had to practically test the whole thing to understand it's working. And then he said, by violating the commandment that you gave us somewhere along, it's only when you do not follow the rules that's when you don't make money. Now, these are testimonial from students who are also using the Signal setup right after we just launched it, or we just started in July. He said, "Good morning, boss. I did the MT5 subs and mine is up now. All my 5 trades with ease. Then I switch off my phone. Uh, Once you are done, you close. And all these things we are talking about are not going to take your time. These are testimonial from students. Is that 5 trade is done, $25 made, and I'm good for the day. You don't have to want to. Okay, you need to understand. Look carefully at what this person says. He said, "Sir, I got even signals in 1 hour, 20 minutes, which is good enough for me because I don't have this to stress myself searching. I just got a signal alert and I entered the formal TMNmedia style where we did trade before now. Stra, but now this new one gonna be Strategy, Ogbonge strategy, one of them all. Okay, that's amazing feedback about this is how they get to receive the signal with instruction, what you are not supposed to do. Immediately you get the signal, you get to take it. Now, this person says, boss, I have gotten 7 signals under 25 minutes. Boss, this is wow. I picked 3 traits. How did it go? Boss, now fire, now thunder. So you need to understand, you are just picking small out of the whole thing. Now, this one says, boss, you do well, pass. I should be the one to say thank you because they are rocking it. They are making money. He said, I have gotten more than 35 signals since 4 p.m. The signals started coming. So imagine you're going to be receiving over 100 signals in a day and you are just only to pick 3 or 5. That's all. That's all. So you have more than enough. You have more than enough. This person says, I have received over 50 signals. Over 50 signals. 50 signals. He said, between 3 a.m. and the time I woke up, I have received over 50 signals. So you need to, he said the signal alert is amazing. So you need to understand. And not only that the signal alert is amazing, it will also give you results. Now look at the same person. I need you to look at this. This is a 1 month recap of how these students are using this strategy. He said, I have hit 100% in 8 days. Though I traded the last 3 days without signals because it wasn't coming because we had to upgrade during that period. We had to upgrade to a bigger platform. Now, I started this account from $100 and I made losses along the way, 3 losses. Is there going to be losses? Yes, but I made sure to cut them early. Now, with his losses, he's still able to make 100% in 8 days. That's what we are talking about. Now, you have this person doing trading with Bitcoin. Out of 50 trades, he only had 1 loss. Out of 50, 1 loss. You need to understand. This is how, and this is what the signal is all about. You can see the trades. These are all from trade result. And now you can see the post of member sharing his testimony and earning over 12% daily profit. He has grown and he collects. This one is not. They collect their money. I teach people to collect money. You don't grow and say you are saving it somewhere. You will collect your money. So this is evidence of collecting. I'm also an agent, so I can also help you with the withdrawals. This is the same person withdrawing. There are testimonies. Now this person says, in fact, I must confess that this is my first time trading touch without a single loss for 2 weeks. You need to understand. And the testimony abound. They are not just giving the testimony. They are making the money. Yes, collecting the money in their account. This is another person with a bank statement account showing evidence of collecting money. And he started with as low as $20. $20 is just like $9,500. That's why we say you can start with as low as you can afford. You don't have to break the bank. Now, this person is even 1 day old. He said, I started the subscription yesterday. This is my result for today. Cool profit. Cool profit. You need to understand, does this work? Will you get profit? This person also, you can see results. Green everywhere. Now, after all, I have been profitable. Now, this person said, I lost only 4 times. But after all, I've been profitable. Why will you lose so much when you disobey the rules and you don't follow? That's the only time you get to have such experience. Now, you need to understand, this person, in fact, this person's zone is as current as 1st of August, which is today. Now, look at his testimonial. He has grown and made over 600% in 2 weeks using the signal. I need to read this to you finally. He said, good morning, sir. I bless God this morning for his blessing in my life. Through this, your signal channel, it opened my eyes of understanding. And ever since I subscribed, I never knew losses again. I thank God Almighty. This is my second withdrawal this week, making it about 244 core profits, doing only 5 trades per day from account of $40. $40 is just like 18,000, and this person has already made over 100K from 18,000 naira capital. You need to understand, is this thing workable? Is it doable? Yes. How do you get started? Very simple. Visit my website and get to sign up. Once you sign up, you will get to, as for new students, you only have to sign up. For my old student, they know what to do. They have the details of how to subscribe. But for new ones, hey, all you just have to do is, man, come on, sign up. Try it out. Remember, now I made the sign-up fee 30,000, meaning you are getting a free 45 days signal service. While you are learning, you will be earning. God bless you, and I'll get to see you in another video.